A triad couple had two garage doors. This one right here, it worked. The other one did not. The cables jumped the drums, the rails, they got all bent. It was a mess.
And one kept falling. When the garage door would literally end up on the floor, which is very dangerous. And why would it do that and the other one worked fine? So the company tried to repair it 4 or 5 times. After the 4th or 5th time, they still couldn't get it repaired. So the person kind of contacted us and said, "Can you help?"
The US is the WFMY News 2 Call for Action team. This is a group of volunteers that helps consumers resolve issues with companies. And per usual, we ask for pictures so that we can see the issue. We looked at receipts and proof of payment.
So a lot of times these cases, everybody stops communicating, and what happens is the customer is frustrated and the company was frustrated because they were kind of butting heads over what to do. So I was able to kind of, for lack of a better term, nudge the company into doing what ended up being the right thing to satisfy the customers.
The final resolution with the garage doors? Well, the company refunded the full amount, $8,400. The consumer hired a new company and the new doors are in and working just fine. Well, maybe you have a consumer issue that our Call for Action volunteers can help you with. You can fill out the Call for Action complaint form. It's on our website. Just look for the Who Wants to Know tab. The form comes right up.